Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Salam. Baru Miss Dewi yang masuk ya?
Iya, Miss, baru, Miss.
Kirain udah rame.
Jam
Udah jam 9.
setengah 10, Miss, mulainya.
Oh, setengah 10 mulainya.
Iya.
Oke, ya udah.
Iya, Miss.
Tunggu aja ya.
Iya, Miss.
Gimana Mbak Isti perkembangan? Halo, halo.
Ya Pak, jadi down tadi ngeliatin Erika. Lelet bener.
Gimana kondisi sekarang?
Alhamdulillah Pak, tinggal sisa-sisa. Tinggal
Kurang.
sisa ngumpulin energi sama batuk-batuknya.
Banyak kan istirahat dulu.
Iya Pak, betul. Saya pikir apa ya, setelah selesai hilang penciuman sama rasa itu udah selesai, ternyata belum.
Enggak lah. Itu kan hanya beberapa gejala saja itu.
Iya, maksudnya saya nggak nyangka kalau bakalan apa sih, kayak ngabisin energi banget gitu.
Jadi saya dulu gini, waktu saya udah keluar dari rumah sakit, udah negatif, kan udah sehat. Jadi salah satu gejala saya waktu sakit dulu itu infeksi saluran kencing.
Oh.
Jadi saya karena ingin mengembalikan stamina itu saya olahraga, naik sepeda. Sudah itu makan pempek, makan cukanya itu. Cuka itu kan pedas kan? Langsung penyakit infeksi saluran kencing saya itu kambuh lagi. Saya dulu. Padahal kondisi saya sudah bagus. Makanya akhirnya saya down ada hampir setengah bulan di rumah. Istirahat terus, makan obat ini, obat itu segala macam lah untuk menyembuhkan infeksi saluran kencing saya itu. Akhirnya udah makan antibiotik, udah banyak, udah ada alergi juga dulu di mata saya bekak makan alergi antibiotik, alergi. Akhirnya sembuhnya sama kumis kucing, baca terus di Google. Akhirnya infeksi saluran kencing saya itu sembuh sama kumis kucing, bukan sama antibiotik. Sama antibiotik malah larinya kemana-mana akhirnya, malah alergi, mata saya bengkak dulu. Sudah pergi juga saya ke dokter mata minta obat. Jadi kalau ya intinya jangan menyerah lah kalau misalnya ada masalah itu.
Iya Pak, ini juga udah tinggal yang maksudnya pakai tradisional aja, karena kemarin itu antibiotik cuma dikasih yang 5 hari. Setelah 5 hari udah nggak dikasih obat apapun lagi.
Ya memang betul. Memang apalagi yang obat COVID-nya itu cuma 5 hari itu. Obat COVID-nya cuma 5 hari.
Elina ini Pak Muatin mana?
Coba dihubungi si Elina.
Udah Miss. Udah Elina hubungin Miss. Tapi belum dibaca Miss.
Kemana lah Pak Muatin? Maksudnya biar cepat selesai, biar saya bisa cepat tidur.
Iya Miss.
Ya seharusnya istirahat aja dulu Mbak Isti ini.
Iya Pak, mau ngecek tadi kan kayak Erika tadi kan juga ya udah lost lah. Udah nggak kepegang Herlina ini kayak mana juga, nanti saya juga pengen lihat. Apa-apa kok Pak, saya sambil rebahan.
Iya. Kalau saya dulu batu tuh nggak ada, nggak ada batu. Cuman waktu di rumah sakit, kalau saya banyak bergerak ada batu. Tapi sedikit gitu.
Berarti malah nggak, Bapak soalnya ke ini ya, ke usus ya Pak ya larinya ya.
Mana ke usus?
Kan tadi saluran pencernaan kan, berarti kan ke bagian pencernaan gitu loh. Saluran kencing tadi yang Bapak itu tadi.
Ya saluran kencing, bukan saluran pencernaan. Saluran
iya,
kencing.
Ke perut, ke bawah gitu maksudnya. Mbak Dewi udah oke banget ya berarti Mbak Dewi?
Sudah, alhamdulillah.
Ngapa
Minum
Dewi?
ini Isti kan kalau lemes habis itu kan lemes ya, minum air kelapa muda itu loh, air bukan hijau itu, kasih madu.
Waduh, belinya gimana? Ini kan serumah, bis kayak mana belinya gitu. Coba nanti saya cari ada GoFood ya.
Ada di GoFood.
Kalau serumah siapa yang mau keluar?
Kalau ada minta kirimin adek, minta tolong ibu gitu kirim.
Oh iya ya, memang sih kemarin ada yang bilang ini ya Dugan ya.
Cepat kok dia pakai Dugan itu, STR Dugan itu.
Iya.
Kasih madu.
Ya.
Nah, kalau saya kemarin ya, badan saya tuh betul-betul kembali fit itu kayak biasa itu saya minum beli teh bajakan yang dari Kalimantan kan ada masuk-masuk di Facebook itu. Nah, cobalah saya beli ini. Setelah minum itu memang rasanya kembali lagi ke posisi sebelum sakit itu. Teh bajakan itu bagus juga itu teh bajakan itu.
Teh bacakan, Pak.
Yang untuk
Bajaka,
kanker
bajaka,
itu ya, Pak. Yang katanya
Gimana?
untuk kanker itu ya.
Ya betul, yang untuk itu kan untuk kanker aja itu banyak itu bagus itu.
Oke, sudah siap ya?
Silakan.
Oke, siap mulai Pak. Kita sambil nunggu ngobrol tadi.
Nggak apa-apa ya. Lama nggak ketemu jadi kangen ya.
Tinggal nunggu Bapak aja tadi.
Iya. Udah sih udah masuk, tapi karena enak ngobrol sih nggak apa-apa sih.
Cek kesehatan
Mumpung ada
masing-masing.
waktu.
Bapak.
Iya. Iya. Mudah-mudahan sehat walafiat semuanya.
Amin.
Metro
Alright,
sudah mulai antri.
Sudah siap ya, Sekretaris. Administrasinya sudah baik.
Sudah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawalah amma ba'd. Ladies and gentlemen, this is thesis exam on behalf of Herlina Zulfiani, titled The Influence of Using Hamburger's Strategy Towards Student Writing Ability on the Explanation Text through Google Classroom at the second semester of the 11th grade of SMA N6 Bandar Lampung in the academic year of 2020-2021. The team comprises Dr. M. Hasin M. Hum, Chairperson, Dr. Nur Syamsiah MBD, Secretary, Dewi Kurniawati MBD, Primary Examiner, Iwan Kurniawan MBD, Co-Examiner, and Istiqomah Nur Rahmawati MBD, Advisor. To get the mercy from Allah, let's open this exam by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now it is time for the examinee, Herlina Zulfiani, to present the material in about 7 minutes. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum.
Record sudah, PPT.
Sudah, Sir.
All right. Right. Next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. The Honorable Mr. Dr. Muhammad Muhsin MPD as a chairperson, the Honorable Ms. Dr. Nur Syamsiah MPD as a secretary, the Honorable Ms. Dewi Kurniawati MPD as a primary examiner, the Honorable Mr. Iwan Kurniawan MPD as a first examiner, and the Honorable Ms. Istiqomah Nur Rahmawati MPD as a second examiner. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Herlina Zulfiani. I'm English education student 2060 in Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty of UIN Raden Intan Lampung. My thesis paper is under the title The Influence of Using Hamburger Strategy Towards Student Writing Ability on Explanation Text through Google Classroom at the second semester of the 11th grade of SMA Negeri 6 Bandar Lampung in academic year of 2020-2021. My thesis paper consists of 5 chapters. The first chapter is introduction. Second
Hello.
chapter. Yes, sir.
Herlina,
Yes, sir.
PPT, share your PPT, PowerPoint.
Belum. Oke, sir. Oh, iya. Maaf, sir. Share. Yeah.
Background, yeah, only
Yeah.
read the background,
Let me take it.
chapter 3 and conclusion, yeah. Background, method, and conclusion.
Yes, sir. Okay. The chapter 1, introduction, which consists of background of the problem, previous research, and research question. Background of the problem in the teaching and learning now at SMA Negeri 6 Bandar Lampung is doing by online. So that the teacher needs a strategy that's suitable in delivering the material, especially to teach writing during COVID-19. Based on the problem, the writer gave a strategy that's suitable to teach writing, especially on explanation text during COVID-19 pandemic. This strategy is called hamburger strategy. Hamburger strategy can have some advantage to teach writing, such as hamburger strategy can help the student to organize their idea, and hamburger strategy can help the student how remember how to build the paragraph. Besides that, hamburger strategy also can be applied in online learning because this strategy is about the picture and can be combined with other media such as photo media, PowerPoint, or a video learning. So it is easy to understand by
Right,
student from
research
home.
question.
Research
Research
question.
question, please.
Yes. Research question is there a significant influence of using hamburger strategy toward student writing ability on explanation text through Google Classroom at the second semester of the 11th grade of SMA Negeri 6 Bandar Lampung in the academic year of 2020-2021. All right, we move to chapter
Methodology.
3, research method.
Methodology.
Yes, sir. Research design. In this research, the researcher used quasi-experimental design, research variable, hamburger strategy as dependent variable, student writing ability and explanation text as independent variable, technique to collecting the data. In the collecting the data, the writer used tests. There are 2 tests, pre-test and the post-test. This procedure, there are 6 steps. The first is determine the subject of the research. The second step is design the instrument of the research. And the third step is administering of pre-test. The fourth step is conducting the treatment. And the fifth is administering of the post-test. And the last step is analyzing the result, pre-test, and the post-test. Okay. Chapter 4, research and discussion. In this research,
No.
the writer used
Conclusion. Conclusion.
Based on the analyze the data that there was there was a significant influence of using hamburger strategy toward student writing ability on explanation text through Google Classroom at the second semester of the 11th grade in the academic year of 2020. It can be seen at the analyze the data, normality test, homogeneity test, reliability test, and hypothetical test. Chapter 5, conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion, the result of the independent sample test show the significant to-tail
Ya
was...
sudah tadi.
Udah.
You have just mentioned, ya sudah cukup. Close. Salam.
That's all my presentation. But back to moderator. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Close PPT.
Yes, sir.
All right. Herlina.
Yes, sir.
Zulfiani, how to call you?
Herlina, sir.
Herlina. Ya, Herlina. All right. It seems that you have bad signal, yes? Bad signal. So this with the red color. So poor, yeah, poor signal.
Yes, sir.
Where are you?
I'm in Bandar Lampung, sir. In Teluk.
Bandar Lampung. Teluk, ya.
Ya, di Teluk, sir. Di Kupang Tebang,
But,
sir.
What about the signal over there?
Why?
With the red color ya.
Oh,
Red
yes, sir.
color kan ya kayak COVID red itu kan udah kondisi yang ini ya.
Yes, sir.
Kondisi memprihatinkan gitu ya.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Alright. As long as that you can communicate. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Video. You can see my video. Alright.
Udah, sir.
Yeah. Herlina, so you have conducted the research about using hamburger strategy for student writing ability. Yeah, right. And your focus is to seek the influence. Yeah, all right. In your presentation, some mistake in pronunciation, for example, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Yeah, the fifth. Yeah, the fifth. Bukan the five ya, but the fifth. Now, this is ordinal number, right? Ordinal number, the fifth. All right. What is hamburger strategy? Hamburgers like junk food?
Yes, sir. But in this research, the writer used visualisasi picture of hamburger strategy. That visualisasi, sir, with the compare with each part of hamburger with each paragraph of the text.
Oh, hamburgers, yeah.
Yes,
The
sir.
image, using the image of hamburgers.
Yes,
hamburgers
sir.
image.
Yeah.
Is it related? Does it relates to the writing ability?
Yes, sir.
Or in what aspect it relates to writing ability?
Relate? Yes, sir. Because hamburger strategy can help the student to how to build the paragraph, and the writer introduced the student that the hamburger strategy.
Can you show us aja ya, coba kalau diterangkan kayaknya sulit. Kayak apa sih itu? What
Gini, sir.
does it mean by hamburgers itu gambarnya kayak apa? Kemudian apa dibelah-belah? Ini backgroundnya, apakah ini content atau ini conclusion? Coba gimana coba?
Oh yes, sir.
Can you show us?
Yeah.
You said that you use visual image of hamburger.
Yeah. Visual image of
Yeah.
hamburger,
Show us.
such as tree.
Just show us. Udah
Yes, sir.
udah nggak usah banyak ini, coba perlihatkan aja kayak apa.
Yeah.
Banyak teori nanti nggak selesai-selesai. Perlihatkan, show us.
Ini, sir. They are in this is the picture of hamburger strategy. The top
Mana,
bun.
we cannot see. We cannot see your pictures. Oh, this, yeah.
Yes, sir. They are.
Ini pagi-pagi udah dikasih hamburger jadi lapar.
Yes, sir. This
Kamu
hamburger.
makannya sarapan pakai hamburger, kayak orang bule aja.
Enggak salah.
Oh, kirain.
Pakai nasi uduk.
Alright, how to, yeah. Itu siapa itu yang di sekelilingmu itu, jangan ganggu lah ya.
Yes, sir.
Oh ya, suara-suaranya di itu dulu, silent dulu ya.
Yes, sir.
Alright, explain ya,
Explain.
how to implement this strategy in teaching writing.
Yes, sir. In hamburger strategy consists of top bun and the filling, and the last is bottom bun. In the teaching writing, writing, the writer introduce top bun like as general statement, and then filling as a sequence of explanation, and then the bottom bun as like closing, sir.
Do you mean apa? Top one, bottom
bun.
one.
Top bun, sir. Top bun, roti atas hamburger. Top bun.
Top. How to spell bun? Bun.
Bun. Top bun.
Like,
Top bun. Top bun. Roti
how to
atas.
spell?
Top.
Spell. Top. Ya, terus bannya
Top.
apa?
Bun, sir.
Lah ya, spell tuh dieja coba. Ban itu kayak apa? Ban apa?
B.
Ya?
UN, sir.
Oh, BUN.
BUN, sir.
Artinya apa itu?
Roti atas, sir.
Oh, ban itu roti ya?
Iya, sir. Roti atas.
Oh, gitu. Udah dicek di kamus, ban itu artinya roti.
Iya, sir. By teori Enel juga, iya, sir. Beliau nyebutnya
Alright.
top bun, sir.
Alright. So this kind of generic structure ya of essay writing ya.
Iya, sir.
Yang pertama itu apa? Yang di atas?
Yang atas top bun, and then the filling.
Nah, iya, top bun itu isinya apa? Kayak hamburger itu isinya apa?
Isinya
kalau
roti,
yang
sir.
top itu
Roti.
Roti. Terus kalau di writing apa?
Kalau di writing introduction, sir.
Apa hubungannya introduction dengan roti atas itu apa? How to correlate that this is top and the introduction top bun?
Top bun, the compare, sir. I say the each of paragraph like as each of hamburger, sir.
Meaning the paragraph, ya?
Yes, sir.
In an essay, there are some paragraph, and it looks like hamburger.
Yes, sir.
Whose theory? Sebetulnya teori siapa ini?
The theory is Hanel's theory, sir.
All right, special for writing.
Yes, sir. Special for writing and
the top bun is
introduction. Introduction. And then filling as filling is support is
supporting sentences.
Yeah, supporting sentences. And the last is bottom bun as a closing, sir. But in this research, the researcher use explanation text, sir. So
explanation text.
Explanation text. So the writer introduced top bun as like general statement, feeling as a sequence of explanation, and the bottom band as a closing side.
How do you relate this image into explanation text?
The first, I introduce the strategy hamburger and explanation text with the compare with the picture hamburger, and then the writer ask the student to write general statement on bottom band, and then sequence of explanation in the feeling set, and the third closing in on bottom band.
Whose theory in explanation text you refer?
Addressing, sir. The theory is addressing. There are three general structure of explanation text.
Oh, the same as hamburger strategy gitu ya?
Yes, sir.
Kamu compare sama gitu ya?
Yes, sir. Yes. In this
Ada
research,
introduction, kemudian
Yes, sir.
ada content atau body, ada conclusion atau closing gitu.
yes, sir.
Is there any are there any previous studies atau research
Yes,
using this strategy?
yes. There are two previous research in my thesis paper, sir.
What are the differences
The difference,
to yours?
my thesis paper use hamburger strategy in online learning, but the previous research is offline learning, sir. And then there are the different material in the previous research use descriptive and pre-context, sir.
All right, yeah. So there is a uniqueness, yeah. There is uniqueness, yeah, compared to previous studies. All right, and you use Google Classroom, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you use online, yeah.
Yes.
Online
Yes, sir.
process, yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, using Google Classroom from the beginning until the end.
In beginning, sir.
Yeah.
During the teaching and learning process, sir. Google Classroom.
Yeah, from beginning until the end. So all process use online.
Use online by using Photon Media, sir. The writer send the material by using Photon Media. After that, the
Google Classroom, you can have a video streaming. Use Google Classroom.
No, sir. I send a video.
No.
I send a video. In the video,
You send
there
the
are
video.
some. Yes, sir.
So you just send the video, and then you ask the student to follow the video and follow the teaching learning.
Yes, sir.
Using video.
Yes, sir.
Jadi nggak interaktif ya, kirain langsung pakai video streaming kayak gini.
No, sir.
Jadi interaktif ya.
Yes, sir. Because
Jadi sisi interaktifnya kurang ini ya.
Yes, sir.
Iya, jadi kurang interaktif. Ada aspek yang hilang, yaitu apa? Aspek. Padahal 3 aspek ya, aspek kognitif, and then afektif and psikomotorik. 2 aspek yang nggak ada. Afektifnya mana?
Yes, sir.
Jadi 3 unsur dalam pendidikan itu ya harus masa cuma kognitif aja, ya?
Yes, sir.
Harusnya ada sisi afektifnya gimana, ya? Akhlaknya, karakternya gitu kan?
Yes,
And also psikomotorik ya. Itu cuma 1. Padahal ada loh banyak aplikasi. There are many online platform ya. You use apa banyak Zoom, WA call ya.
Yes, sir.
Kenapa kok padahal writing itu perlu?
Because
Ya, ada yang
yes, sir.
ya jadi ada yang kurang ya. Dua aspek itu you have missed two aspect of education ya. Pedagogy ya. Itu apa?
Psikomotorik,
Affective and psychomotorik. Iya, kognitifnya ada, tapi yang dua itu ya. Itu yang harus dilengkapi itu. Gimana caranya ini udah selesai penelitiannya. Ya.
Yes, sir.
Meanwhile, there are many online platform using video ya. Ada Google Meet, ada banyak. Kenapa pilih yang ini ya? Ya yang statis Google Classroom. Ya harusnya combination ya, combination you mix with ya. Alright, for further discussion, the first chance goes to primary examiner to Miss Dewi Kurniawati MBD. Time is yours.
Ya, thank you, Mr. Mohsin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke. Oke, Erlina.
Yes, sir.
Let's see your abstract first. Yeah. So in the first paragraph, here you explain about the preliminary research. Yeah. So I suggest you it's better to you to omit this one. You can delete the first paragraph. You can directly explain about the aim of your research. Langsung aja ke tujuan penelitian. Ya.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
then you don't need to explain about the topic of your writing test here. Ya, ya langsung aja because I think your abstract is too long ya, terlalu panjang nih kalau kata saya. It's better to you to write your abstract not more than from 200 words. Ya.
Yes, Miss.
Keyword sudah oke. Kemudian ya, so apa tadi title-nya? What is the title? Influence of using hamburger strategy. Okay. What is the problem? So you did this research.
The problem at the SMA Negeri 6 Bandar Lampung, especially in the writing, there are four steps. There are four problems. The first problem is the writer, the student still lack of vocabulary and grammar, and then she still confused to express their idea, and the student still often the generic structure of the text. And the last, the teacher's strategy in the teacher's strategy is not suitable in online learning. Miss.
In online learning. Okay, but in your background, this is the problem is because of the coronavirus pandemic. Yeah. In online learning. Yeah. In the first paragraph. Okay. Maybe you can add one theories from article or article journal ya to support the statement in the first paragraph ya. Mungkin bisa itu ya ditambahkan. Kemudian okay, did you do preliminary research, right? Yeah, what did you do?
By interviewing
the teacher
and the student, and I asked teacher ask the student writing score.
How did you
Writing.
do the interview?
Interview. I asked the teacher about the problem. The problem.
How did you do? How did you do the interview? Kamu bagaimana melakukan interviewnya, Erlina?
By interview itu miss ke sekolah gitu ya, Miss ya?
Huh?
I go to sekolah. I meet the teacher.
With the teacher?
With the teacher, I asked the teacher, Miss.
So it means that you came to the school. Yeah. Did you came to the school?
Yes,
Huh?
yes, Miss. Yes. I meet the teacher and I interview the teacher, Miss.
Yeah, because on page 4, yeah. Here you write that based on the interview via WhatsApp. So it means that you did a semi-structured interview by using WhatsApp group gitu.
Iya, Miss.
Interviewnya pakai WhatsApp group?
Voice note, Miss. By using voice note.
Kok interview pakai voice note? Are you sure?
Yes, Miss. Voice note, Miss.
What is interview?
Chat person.
Okay, what is interview, Herlina?
Interview.
Yeah. Yeah, on page 4, in the last paragraph, yeah.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, yes. You wrote that the interview based you did the interview by using WhatsApp group. It is because of the pandemic era. But just now you said that you meet to the teacher. Which one is true? Kamu datang ke sekolahnya, did you come to the school or just interview via WhatsApp? Yang mana yang benar, yang di tesismu atau yang kamu katakan sebelumnya?
The teacher, the writer interview the student by using via WhatsApp, by through voice note, Miss. Jadi
Voice note?
Iya, Miss. Jadi Herina kirim voice note Herina, terus mereka suruh menjawab gitu, Miss. Chat satu-satu, Miss. Yang ada di grup.
Interview itu kan, what is interview?
Interview tanya jawab, Miss.
Tanya jawab. Mesti tatap muka nggak?
Iya, Miss. Terbuka.
Iya. Nggak harusnya nggak pakai WhatsApp group kan?
Iya, Miss.
Orang per orang. Jadi harusnya kalau memang pakai WhatsApp, kamu pakai WhatsApp call itu, video call.
Ya.
Video call. Nggak apa-apa, dalam grup kan itu bisa 6 atau 8 orang kan video call WhatsApp itu.
Yes, Miss.
Atau pakai via Zoom. It's better to you, itu ya, harusnya seperti itu. Tapi ya udah terjadi gimana ini?
Ya,
And
Miss.
then apa lagi nih ya? Kemudian how about the teacher?
What, Miss?
The teacher, did you interview the teacher?
The teacher, I meet the teacher at
Teacher
the
datang ya. When did you do this preliminary research?
interview and ask
When did you do this preliminary research? Udah ada ya di sini penjelasannya ya.
Interview. Ada Miss.
Kamu melakukan interview kerja kapan?
Interview
Itu preliminary risetnya, pra risetnya ini kapan, Hermina?
January 2021.
January 2021.
Yeah.
Oh.
Before the coronavirus pandemic.
21 sudah.
Udah Miss.
2021 sudah.
Ya Miss.
Bukannya sebelum 2020 iya. 2020. 20 or 21?
21. Jadi
Mana nggak ada juga ini penjelasan kapan
ini-
kamu lakukan. Ya nanti
ini-
ditambah ya penjelasan
voice
when did you do this interview preliminary research ya. Kapan
Iya.
dilakukan itu nggak ada kan di sini?
ada Miss.
Di mana?
Di ini nih footnote.
What page?
Di footnote.
Di footnote.
Iya Miss. Mas Lina Bakara and interview.
Oh ini on
Iya Miss.
8 Januari 2021.
Iya Miss.
Oh,
Iya,
ya artinya
iya,
memang
benar.
benar sudah pandemi.
Iya Miss.
Oke tadi terus kemudian hamburger ya tadi pakai hamburger strategi ya. Is it for the experimental class? How about the control class?
Expository strategy.
Explanatory strategy.
Yes Miss.
What is the explanatory strategy?
Expository strategy
Hmm.
is a strategy that the focus on the teacher to explain the material.
Is there any explanation about that in your thesis?
Explanation.
Kayaknya cuman Powtoon ya di sini penjelasanmu. Powtoon and then Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Can you show us about the Google Classroom and Powtoon,
Yes Miss.
Herlina?
Google Classroom
Uh-huh.
as a
Ditunjukin Google Classroom yang kamu pakai itu, tunjukin, show to us. Show us about your Google Classroom and then about your Powtoon.
Google Classroomnya udah sama pihak sekolahnya udah udah dihapus karena udah mata pelajaran baru. Tapi kalau Powtoonnya ada Miss. Kemudian di sini juga Herena udah.
Who teach? Did you teach the student?
Teach the student by using Powtoon media Miss. Powtoon ya Miss ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, student?
Tidak bisa dibuka.
Dan hai adik-adik, pada pertemuan sebelumnya kita sudah membahas tentang definisi atau pengertian dari test explanation, kemudian tipe, struktur, bagiannya apa saja, dan tata bahasa apa saja yang digunakan di test explanation. Nah, untuk pertemuan kali ini,
Okay, so it means that you use Python to explain the material, ya.
Ya, Miss.
Oke. Gantinya sebentar saya mau lihat benar nggak materinya.
Iya, Miss.
The next.
dengan judul topiknya yaitu
Maaf, Miss, ini yang pertemuan kedua, Miss.
So, how many Python that you have referred to the student?
To Python media, Miss.
Hah?
2, Miss.
Ada berapa Python yang disiapin?
2, Miss. 2.
2.
Ya.
Only 2.
Yes.
Just explanation of apa? Materi satunya tentang apa? Python satunya.
Materi satunya tentang making a paper from wood chips, Miss.
Wood chip.
Ya, membuat kertas dari kayu, Miss. Making paper from wood dari
Oh, about the
wood chip.
materialnya ya. Yeah,
Yeah.
about the topic of for writing.
social ini, Miss. Social phenomena. Because explanation there are 2 kinds, Miss.
Yeah, I know. It's about the topic
Yes.
in the treatment. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, you can stop share. Google Classroom-nya nggak bisa ditunjukin?
Tidak, Miss. Adanya di HP, Miss. Google Classroom-nya ini, Miss. Ada, Miss.
Ya kan automatically can be saved in Drive ya.
Oh iya, Miss.
Ya nggak mungkin lah dihapus. Ada, yang penting artinya kamu bisa membuktikan kalau kamu melakukan itu. Oke. Receipt for writing. How many topic?
There
How
are
many
3.
treatment?
3
There are 3.
treatment.
Ya, tadi yang di ekstrak itu ya.
Iya, Miss.
So you use Python only to give explanation ya, and then Google Classroom
To send the material Python in Google Classroom, Miss. Python itu.
Okay. How about the students' tasks? Did they send their tasks to your Google Classroom?
The writer confirmation with the student by the WhatsApp, Miss.
Tugasnya dikumpulnya di WhatsApp.
Tugasnya di Google Classroom, Miss.
Iya kan? Gitu.
Iya.
Jadi kamu suruh mereka kumpul di Google Classroom.
Iya, Miss.
Okay. Could you tell us about the step or the procedure? How did you teach the student by using this strategy?
Okay, there are 4 steps in teaching and learning by using hamburger strategy and Python media and Google Classroom. The first, the writer introduce the student with the Python media. In the Python media, there are explanation about the hamburger strategy and explanation the hamburger. The second step is the writer asks to the student how to write general statement on top band, and then the third step is the writer asks the student to write sequence of explanation on the feeling, and the last the writer asks student to write closing on bottom bar.
Okay, so how many paragraphs?
How many paragraph? There are 3 paragraph.
There are 3 paragraphs.
Yes, Miss. Appropriate with the structure of hamburger, Miss. Because I make 3 part of hamburger.
What are they?
Top bun, filling, and bottom bun. Top bun general statement, filling sequence of explanation, and bottom bun is closing. There are 3 paragraph.
Okay, how about the scoring system? Did you use Iterator?
Yes, Iterator reliability, Miss, by using the English teacher.
You asked the English teacher.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So the result, what is the result of your research?
The result of the research, there was a significant influence of using hamburger strategy toward student writing ability on explanation text through Google Classroom at the second semester of the 11th grade of SMA Negeri 6 Bandar Lampung in the academic year of 2020-2021.
Okay.
Strategy.
Did you find any kinds of problem in doing this research in teaching writing by using this strategy? Is there any problem?
Yes, Miss. There are 3 problems in I teach and learning during COVID-19 by using Photon Media and Google Classroom. The first, the writer have difficulties to send the material because the writer search the Wi-Fi to send the material, and then the student not still less respond to respond in giving the response, and then the writer always asks and we explain the material to WhatsApp group by using voice note. And the third, the teacher did not to awareness to do the test, Miss.
Okay. Did you explain about your problem in your discussion? Udah ada ya di discussion ya, udah diceritain ya?
Sudah, Miss, sudah.
Tadi masalah-masalah tadi ya. Oke.
Yeah.
Oke, Fendi, I think you have to revise about the student. Kan di sini ada nih student writing score gitu ya.
Yeah, Miss.
Nah, it's better to you to use initial name to the name of student ya. Jadi nama studentnya nggak usah lengkap kayak begini.
Oh iya.
Ya, pakai initial name atau code aja ya. Untuk riset, menjaga riset etiknya. Kemudian nanti semua ya itu dicek ya.
Student score ya, Miss? Yang di student score ya?
Ya, yang di student ya, pokoknya yang nama-nama studentnya itu ya.
Oh iya,
Itu
Miss.
pakai nama samaran aja. Nickname-nya aja lah, nickname-nya ataupun kamu bisa pakai kode.
Ya, Miss.
Ya. Kemudian apa ya, ini tadi appendiknya yang enggak jelas. Ini screenshot-nya sudah ya, screenshot pembelajarannya sudah ya.
Sudah, Miss.
Kita dulu cek. Oke. Loh, kok ini di on page 166? Is this the about procedure text, not explanation text? Kamu ngajar explanation atau prosedur? Tugasnya siswanya ngerjain prosedur text atau explanation text?
Explanation text, Miss.
Oh, ini di on page 166.
Same, Miss. Because
Yang di tugas baru itu review procedure text, bukan explanation text. Halaman 166 loh, Herlina. Itu screenshotmu itu loh, yang screenshot Google Classroom-nya itu tugas baru review procedure text. Bukan explanation text. Kelihatan nggak sama kamu? Apa Miss Dewi yang salah? Picture 5.
picture 4.
Picture 5 on page 166.
Ya, Miss.
Ya,
Explanation ini explain
itu prosedur.
menjelaskan kembali material, Miss. Maksudnya Herlina yang siswanya nggak paham, habis itu setelah itu Herlina jelasin gitu, Miss. Herlina nanya ke mereka paham nggak tentang yang di Herlina jelas yang pakai di pautan itu, Miss. Kemudian
Enggak, yang di ini yang sebelah kirinya loh, Herlina, picture 5.
Picture 5.
Di picture 5 on page 166. Itu yang gambar screenshot Google Classroom. Itu kok dia review prosedur text, bukan explanation text.
Bukan, Miss, ini punya Google Classroom-nya gurunya, Miss.
Kirim aja namanya lengkap ya.
Gitu.
Iya, Miss. Ini punya gurunya, Miss. Karena Herlina cuma boleh akses satu Google Classroom aja, Miss.
Oke.
Oke, ini tugas siswa juga. Ini tugas siswanya yang mana? Experimental class.
Tergantung sinyal gitu.
Ini cuma 2 paragraf. Top layer.
Itu yang explanation text-nya. Yang 2 paragraf.
Iya. Nah,
Nama awalnya.
oh 2 ya, 3 paragraf ya.
Oke.
Saya ngelihatnya ya cuma 2 paragraf pekerjaan siswanya ya. Ya dah, I think that's all ya. I give back to the chairperson. Thank you, Mr. Muhasin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Miss Dewi Kurniawati. Alright, Herlina, so you have got many inputs here, corrections from the primary examiner. You can follow the correction, you can revise your thesis here later on. And now the next chance goes to co-examiner, to Mr. Iwan Kurniawan, MBD. Time is yours. Halo,
Halo, ya, Miss.
Mr. Iwan.
Ya,
Are
sudah.
you there?
Ya.
All right.
Oke, sebentar aja ya, Herlina.
Ya, Miss.
Herlina, please look at your skripsi. Look at your motto. I don't know why your motto looks like this in my cell phone. Bentar. Aduh.
There are no Arabic ya, Mister ya?
Iya. Look at this.
Oh iya.
Look at this. This is your motto.
Oh iya.
This is your
Mister,
motto.
maaf, Mister. Laptop Herlina itu.
Yeah.
Maaf ya, Mister.
What happened here?
Di scan malah. Gitu.
Yeah. Now look at your dedication. From the deepest place of my heart, this thesis is dedicated to everyone who care and love. To everyone who care or cares. Everyone is
Everyone who cares.
Third single person ya. Everyone is third single person. Orang ketiga tunggal itu.
Yeah.
Third single person. So which one correct? Care or cares?
Cares.
Cares and loves me. Yeah.
Cares.
Yeah, even though everyone looks like many people, actually it is not many people, yeah,
Yes,
because
Mister.
everyone single person, yeah, but more than one, but they still consider as single person. So who cares and loves me? Basically, for my beloved parent, Mr. Zulkarudin and Mrs. Hernawati, who always give love, support, and pray for my fluency of finishing. What do you mean by fluency? Fluency is for speaking. Yeah. For the
For the support. For the support of
support and pray
Juanita
for the smoothness. Of finishing my study until the end of this distels. Apa itu distels itu?
Yeah.
Look at the spelling. This thesis. Tulisannya bukan seperti itu destais itu ya. Correct
Ini
spelling. Then number 2, my beloved brother Akmal Faisal, who always gives. What is the problem, number 2?
Always give.
What is the problem, number 2? Huh?
Yeah, Miss. Yeah,
Can
Mister.
you correct it?
I always
what?
gives me support.
Yeah, gives. Yeah, because your brother is only one, right? Akmal Faisal.
Yeah.
And then my beloved friend, Armandan Sigit Pratama SPD. Ya. Beloved friend. Wah, ini it sounds like special person ya. Is it am I correct that he is special person? Special, someone special ya. Who always gives me, pakai S juga lah. Ya. Who gives me spirit and Jason for this thesis. Thank a lot for your help in finishing this thesis. And all my friends at Win Marina Lampung, especially kelas 2006. Ya, 2006 itu kan banyak. What class are you? Huh? What class are you? C, ya. C is with Istiqomah or not?
No,
with
Wiratman. Bina.
Huh?
Bina.
Oh yeah. Ya. Thanks for your help and support thesis. Nah, yang nomor 4 ini thanks-nya pakai S. Yang di atas nomor 3 thanks-nya nggak ada S. Mana itu? Ya. Your CV, you were born in Purbolinggo, Lampung Tengah. Purbolinggo, Jawa Tengah. Itu suara siapa tuh banyak betul itu?
Mister. Tetangga, Mister. Tetangga, Mister.
Tetangga?
Iya, Mister. Rumahnya berdekatan.
Ya. Dan acknowledgement. Okay, I think there's no problem with number 5. All number 5. Acknowledgement. Number 5.
All lectures aku Indadin Internampung. Especially in English school.
What do you mean by lectures? Yeah, Zulfina, number 5.
Yeah, Mister.
Lecture. What do you mean by lecture here? Hah?
Gimana, Mister?
Acknowledgement itu nomor 5 itu all lectures. What do you mean by lecture here?
Yeah, sir. All the lecture.
Dosen ya?
Dosen.
Dosen ya?
Dosen, iya, sir.
Masa dosen bahasa Inggrisnya lecture? Hah? Benar itu.
Salah, sir.
Masa dosen lecture? Is that correct or not? What is dosen in English?
Dosen.
Lecture itu kan kuliah. Kalau
Ya.
dosen itu orang yang beri kuliah, berarti tinggal tambahkan IR aja.
Oh,
Lecturer.
lecturer. Lecturer.
Lecturer.
Lecturer.
Daroyani. Daroyani ini artis lawas. That matter or SMP negeri yang mendalam. Berarti bila berfriend Anissa Putri Minda Olia Ulan. Yeah. Please revise them, right?
Yes. Yes, Mister.
Okay. I think this all from me, Pak Mohsin. Thank you.
Okay, Pak Iwan.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Now the next chance goes to the advisor, to Ms. Istiqomah Nur Rahmawati MBD. Time is yours.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Ya, Miss.
You know, I think that I have already asked you to use Grammarly, but why you still have some grammatical mistakes in your writing? What's wrong? Did you really use the Grammarly or not?
Yes, Miss. I use the Grammarly.
But
On
how come there are so many grammatical mistakes in your writing?
Grammarly.
And then make sure that you optimize these applications. Therefore, you do not need to revise. You do not need to have a difficulties in revising the grammar and the writing. And then my second question is about after you implement the hamburger strategy, actually, what are the changes? What are the improvement that you have seen from your students?
The student can improve. Student can improve if the student can improve if because the writer introduced the generic structure of a text by using Google Classroom. It can be student more organized the parts of text, Miss. Jadi tidak ada teks yang kelewat, Miss. Terbiasa menulis.
The generic structure.
Iya, Miss.
Yeah. So how will you overcome the students' vocabulary? Because you know, most of the students' problem when it comes to writing or speaking, they usually will always answer that they have lack of vocabulary. So do you think that hamburger strategy can overcome this problem? The vocabulary.
Vocabulary in Powder Media. In Powder Media, the writer explain menjelaskan ini, Miss. Di Powder Media itu untuk menambah vocabulary-nya siswa itu ada setiap ada contoh teks, kemudian Herina jelasin per kalimat per satu kalimat gitu, Miss.
Nah, itu kan dari Pautonnya. Maksud saya dari hamburger strateginya, because the title of your thesis is the hamburger strategy, right? Not the Powtown.
Oh, yeah,
The Powtown is only the device or the media that can help you in implementing the hamburger strategy. My question is, did the hamburger strategy really help students in terms of vocabulary?
oh, yeah, Miss. I asked the
Jawab,
student.
nggak usah dibaca lagi.
Yeah, Miss. The writer asked student to write by the topic that given by the writer. Yes. And then I correct, Miss.
Kalau maksudnya kan kalau dari hamburger strateginya itu saya lihat dari di image-nya ya, the picture-nya gitu, it helps a lot in apa ya ibaratnya, in boosting the students' imagination about the channel. What about the vocabulary? Did you the students' vocabulary in discussion in chapter 4?
Yes, Miss. Strategy.
Saya lupa. Identification of the problem.
Yes.
How many identification of the problem did you have in chapter 1?
4, Miss.
What are they? What were they?
The first is the students still lack of vocabulary and grammar, and then
Number 1 kan itu?
yes. Yeah,
That's
Miss.
why. If you have found the problems, yeah, in the identification of the problem in chapter 1, which means that you need to discuss it in chapter 4, and then find the solution, and then after that you have to write it down the suggestion in chapter 5 gitu loh. Jadi kayak principle whatever that you wrote in research question should be answered in chapter 4 and chapter 5, ya kan?
Yeah.
Nah, itu juga berarti problem that you have found in identification of the problem should be overcome in should be overcome in chapter in the discussion in chapter 4 and chapter 5. Jadi penggunaan hamburger strateginya itu bisa nggak menolong problems that you have found in the preliminary research seperti itu. If yes, you need to discuss it. If no, you need to tell the reader why, and then find out the solution or find out the alternative. That's why you in chapter 5 you need to write the suggestion for the further or for the future researchers gitu loh. Jadi ternyata kamu belum bisa overcome the problem, so you need to give the problems to the future researcher. Perhaps they will find in the future or in the next research, seperti itu ya Herlina.
Oh iya, Miss.
Makanya saya menunggu-nunggu
Tambahin.
itu nomor 1 kamu identification number 1, tapi kok nggak terbaca gitu, terbaca di chapter 4-nya bagian discussion-nya saja.
Yeah, Miss.
Kalau in the discussion already discuss it, that I'm sure that you can give the recommendation or suggestion in chapter 5. So I think that's all. Nanti ditambah itunya ya, Herlina, biar ada significance-nya gitu loh. You did the research and then you have the input for the future research. So I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to Pak Muhsin. Thank you, Pak.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Miss Istiqomah. Right, Herlina.
Ya, Mister.
So what do you feel after having
I'm good.
discussion with the examiners? Are you satisfied?
Yes, Mister.
Are you satisfied
Yes.
with your answers?
Yes, Mister.
Yeah. All right.
Insya Allah.
So you have tried the best, yeah?
Yeah.
The best you can. Unfortunately, that some technical problem.
Ya, Pak Masin. Pak Masin kok diam?
Hello, Herlina.
Ya, Mister.
Yeah, the main problem is in your connection, yeah.
Yes,
I think
Mister.
you have red signal, ya. Oh, sinyalnya merah itu, jadi mengganggu sekali dari tadi. Putus nyambung begitu kayak hubungan gitu ya.
Ya, Mister.
Iya, sehingga keluar sendiri, masuk sendiri. Iya, right. Nah, ini yang ya disayangkan ya. I think you have shown the best performance ya. You can, unfortunately that the connection ya problem. Selama during examination, so I look at your bad signal ya. Red. Jadi komunikasinya kurang lancar ya. Doesn't run smoothly ya. Alright, anyway, we come to the announcement. Are you ready?
Ready, Mister.
Yeah. All right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Referring to the thesis result here, or exam result, it is stated that Zulfiani passed the examination. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Amin.
And the good news, you got cum laude, ya, cum laude. Alhamdulillah, ya.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Yeah, right. Yeah, congratulations, yeah,
Ya, Mister.
for the good achievement. Yeah, right. We are happy to announce this that you have cum laude.
Ya, Mister.
Yeah.
Terima kasih, Mister, Miss.
All right. Yeah, from now on, you have right to put SPD after your name.
Yeah.
Herlina Zulfiani, SPD.
Thank you, Mister.
Yeah. Sarjana percaya diri ya.
Ya, Mister.
Tadi kalau Pak Iwan sebelumnya sarjana apa tadi?
Sarjana penuh derita.
Penuh derita. Kalau ini karena cum laude percaya diri gitu ya. Alright, send our best regard to your parents, family, friend who support you until now. SPD is not the end, but this is starting for you, starting point for you to have a brighter future.
Ya, Ustaz.
Right. You may continue your study into higher education, yeah.
Ya,
All
Ustaz.
right. And you have 2 months to revise, yeah, your thesis. And once again, you have to maintain, yeah, win reputation as now you are alumni, yeah.
Ya.
Right. All right. I think that's all. Thank you, the team. Let's close this examination by reciting Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih, Mister, Miss.
Ya,
Ya, oke.
Terima kasih banyak,
congratulations.
Miss.
Herlina,
Ya, Miss.
nanti biar Rita acaranya selesaikan ya. Kemudian saya kirim ininya, recordnya, hasil recordnya.
Baik, Miss.
Nanti taruh di link aja.
Di link, ya.
Mm-mm.
Baik, Miss. Terima
Oke.
kasih ya, Miss. Terima kasih banyak, Miss.
Nilainya nanti sama Miss Yulan ya.
Oh, iya, Miss.
Yuk,
Terima kasih ya, Miss. Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum.